What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you a awesome method on how you can make money with YouTube without having to show your face, without having to record videos yourself. This is going to be a really cool, unique method that can help you start building up a YouTube channel and start earning some money. So if you're excited about this video, go ahead and like this video, leave a thumbs up on this video. Also, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I drop new videos, because I do drop videos every single day about how to make money online with YouTube and affiliate marketing and other ways that you could start to earn an income online. But before we get started, a lot of people have been asking me about the training, about how to get more training and more help with affiliate marketing and making money online. I do have a brand new released course that I just released not too long ago, less than a week ago, on how to start an affiliate marketing business from start to finish. It is on sale right now for $200 off. So that's essentially 50% off. You're going to get a ton of value in this training because it is going to be constantly updated with new methods on how to generate income with affiliate marketing, how to bring traffic to your landing pages, and how to earn affiliate commissions. As you can see here, I've been on leaderboards for different affiliate programs. This one is for Legendary Marketer. I've had 4-figure days with affiliate marketing. And also, you can also see on this page free training I did a while back, and that's going to be an example of the type of training that you're going to get in the actual course as well. And here under that video, you're going to see what you're going to get in the course. This is what's in the course right now. I'm actually working on more material, so it's going to be more modules than this. Right now is about 5 modules in there. And I also have bonuses that you're going to get, as well as done for you landing pages. You're going to get group mentoring, as well as live Q&A sessions, and then free lifetime updates. So like I said, all of the updates that I make to this course, you're going to get it for 100% free. You do not have to buy a 2.0 version or anything like that. You're going to get it completely free when you buy the course one time. You're going to get all the upgrades. So also more proof and results down here that I do know what I'm talking about. So go ahead and check this out if you want to get help and mentoring on how to make money online with affiliate marketing and YouTube, as well as other paid traffic methods. And then I'm going to be adding some more free traffic methods as well. So click the first link down in the description. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started into the actual training. I'm going to show you everything step by step. So the type of channel that this is that's getting these type of results, these are very simple videos. These are the type of videos that channel is making. This is actually the channel analytics that I just showed you, the results that they're getting here on Social Blade. This is that channel right here. So they have a video here that has 61 million views, and I'm going to show you what this video is. It's really just a 3-hour video of rain sounds in the background with a little bit of music. So if I play it a little bit, this is what it looks like. So it's just rain videos looped over and over again, and people actually listen to this while they're going to sleep, and it helps with relaxing. It helps with meditation. People also use these type of videos to play in the background when they're studying, because it helps soothe the mind and helps relax people. So I'm going to show you how to actually make these kind of videos, how to actually find royalty-free video clips to actually make the exact type of video that they have made here. And you're going to also be able to get royalty-free music. Now this one, I don't think that they have music in the background. Let me skip some. Okay, so this one actually doesn't have music in it at all. Some of them have music in it and some don't. So this one is just rain videos being looped, or it's a video clip of rain being looped over and over again, up to 3 hours. And so they have 61 million views off of this video. And as you can see, earned up to $30,000 monthly for this channel. And they only have, I believe, like 70 videos on the 70 videos on the channel. and they have 133 million views, and that's all that they do is upload these types of videos that's very easy and simple to create. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to come over to pexels.com, and you want to find videos of rain. So videos that show it raining like outside or on a window or something like that. You want to find videos like that. Some of them have no sound in the background where you have to add like sounds of rain, and I'm going to show you how to find that, and some do. So like this one, if I play it, this one has the actual sound of rain. So this one is a very good one to use. It's a beautiful video, and this is something that people would probably watch or probably listen to for 3 hours because it is soothing and it's relaxing. This is a very good one. So I'm going to click off of this one. I'm actually going to use that one later in this video, but what I did was I typed in rain in Pexels, and then I went up to the top and I selected videos. So you can select any of these videos here. Like this one is also a good one as well. That one also has rain in it, the sound of rain in it as well, and it's a little bit heavier than the other one. So what you want to do is you want to download your video. So I'm going to go back to the other one. You want to click on free download, and it's going to download your computer. Now what you want to do is you want to find some music, some relaxing music to go in the background. So you can type into Google search audio library for YouTube, and it's going to give you free royalty-free music that you can use in your YouTube videos without having copyright strikes or anything like that. So once you have found a nice instrumental or background music, you'll then download it. So this one is the one that I'm going to pick. So this one is a calm ambient type of instrumental, so we're going to download that one. Okay, so now we have our instrumental and we have our video. Now, if you do not find a good video that you like with rain in the background, but you found one that doesn't have any sound, you can actually come to soundj.com and you can search for rain sound effects, or you could just search in Google rain sound effects royalty free, and it'll pop up like I think the second or third link that's under all of the ads. And then so they have different rain sound effect MP3 tracks as well that you could download. They have up to 7. You could download any of those as well. So now what you want to do is you want to come over to Google and look for OpenShot, or you can just go to openshot.org. You're going to download this free video editor. So you're just going to hit download here at the top. It works on Mac and Windows. You're going to install it on your computer. So once you have downloaded OpenShot, you're going to open it, and you are going to upload all of your project files. So the video and the audio that you downloaded, you're going to put it here under project files. So you can either get your folder open and drag it, or you could click on file and then import files, or you can click here on this green plus sign. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the bottom to track 1. You're going to put your audio on track 1 and then kind of play it to test it out. Okay, so it plays just fine. So now you're going to take the video file and put it on track 2. So let's start it from the beginning and see what it looks like. Well, I'm actually going to just go ahead and finish it, and then we're going to listen to it because the software doesn't play it very well while I am recording on the screen at the same time. So let's continue to add video clips, and you're going to continue to make the actual video about an hour or more, because usually people like to listen to these type of videos for at least an hour. Some people like to do it while they're sleeping. So if you want to do it for sleep, you want to make it like 8 hours long. And what you have to do to make it that long is you just have to keep dragging the video clips onto the storyboard and keep dragging the audio clips on as well. So right now it is over 3 minutes long. You can also zoom out right here to make the little boxes smaller. You actually have to drag it to the right so that you can see how long you're making it. So you have to keep adding the video clips. You want to make sure the video clips are on the same track and the music is on the same track as well. Okay, so you're gonna keep dragging it until it gets, like I said, to either an hour. You can do it for 3 hours. You can even do it for 8 hours. Okay, so let me add a couple of more video clips, and then we're going to actually export the entire video. So in order to export the video, you want to click on File and then Export Project and then Export Video. You want to give it a name, and then you want to choose the profile, and then your target is going to be MP4, of course, and then your video profile. Now this is going to determine the quality of the video. So I'm going to select 1080p 60 FPS. This is HD quality. Then we're going to click export video. Then it's going to tell you the percentage of the video it has remaining to actually download. So it might take a while, like I said, depending on the type of or the length of the video. It's going to probably take an hour. If it's an hour long video or more, it's going to take quite a bit of time. So you just want to minimize the file or minimize the screen and just let it run in the background. So then you want to go to YouTube. You want to upload your video by clicking here on this icon right here, this video camera icon, and you're going to select upload video. When you do that, you're going to put in your title and your description as well as your tags. So I would model after the titles that are on very viral videos like this one. I would make a similar title to this one and use similar keywords that they have used in their tags and in their description. So if your video is 3 hours long, you can put 3 hours of gentle night rain if it's a night rain video, or you can just put 3 hours of gentle rain sounds for relaxing sleep, insomnia, meditation, studying like that, and things like that. They have all this in here because those are actual keywords. When somebody types in gentle rain or rain sounds, they also put in their search, sometimes they put relaxing rain sounds or sleep rain sounds or insomnia or rain sounds for insomnia, things like that. So you want to make sure that you have keywords in the title just like they have. And then your description, you want to write out a small paragraph explaining the video, and then put your same keywords that you have in the title in that description, and then as well as in your tags. So that is how you actually make money with relaxing rain videos. Now, in order to get paid and get the ads on your videos like they have on here, because that's how they're actually making their money, is that they have ads on the videos, you have to get up to 1,000 subscribers, or at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is easy to get with these type of videos because each video is an hour long and really only takes like one video. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you like this video. Also subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I drop new videos, and I will see you in the next video.